Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again. First and foremost, I wanted to congratulate you on signing up for Local Marketing Hacks. I'm super excited about sharing our strategy with you and how we 5x'd our PDR customers' retail business in less than 12 months. So I'm going to take you through that process step by step. It's a lot of information, so I'm actually going to talk with you a little bit about today about the members area and how you gain access to some of that information and how it's going to be rolled out to you. So I'm going to take you through that. I'm also going to talk with you a little bit about the support process. Of course, in addition to Local Marketing Hacks, I'm going to give you access to my team of local marketing specialists and myself through our support portal, where you have the ability to ask all the questions you want. So if you have any challenges implementing any of the strategies that we're going to talk about, go ahead, log into our support portal, create a user account, and ask those questions. You know, suffering in silence doesn't serve anybody. So my hope is that you get a ton of value, not only out of the on-demand training, but you also take advantage of our free support in order to help you grow your PDR or automotive hail repair business. So let me take you through the support portal, or I'm sorry, not the support portal, but the actual members area. I'm going to talk with you a little bit about this. Hopefully you landed on the welcome screen and you're watching this video on that screen and you're ready to say hello to more high-paying retail customers and utilize some of the strategies we're going to be talking with you about here. Now, below the welcome video, you're going to have access to 4 modules here. As you can see, we have these 4 modules starting with local marketing hacks and web performance. I'm going to talk with you about how to set the stage in order to grow your business, all the things that you need to be conscious of in regards to site speed, security, performance, our technology stack and what we utilize in regards to our WordPress development, and then also some of the things that you should be conscious of in regards to your website and the difference between your website and potentially a funnel that could be making you loads of money. So you might not see all of these modules at once. Again, there's going to be additional videos and modules released as you complete specific sections. We're actually monitoring your progress. So as you complete certain sections, we're going to send you some additional notifications, congratulations in regards to completing that. What we would request or recommend is that as you go through each section, implement those strategies along the way. Don't watch everything and then at the end of it try to implement all the information, because it's just going to be far too much. I've set this up to be packed full of content. I don't want you to be drinking through a fire hose. So what I would prefer is that you watch the modules, complete the strategies, implement them, see the progress, and then build your way, kind of set the foundation and build your way to be a dominant force in your local market. So if you don't see an actual module yet, it's probably because you haven't completed the previous training. And once you do that, you'll be able to access additional modules. Again, if you have any challenges accessing any of the training content or portals or anything like that, or if you have any information or want any information on how to implement these strategies, I'd highly encourage that you take advantage of my team of local marketing specialists and go ahead and do that. So that should cover it in regards to what to expect and some of the things that you're going to be seeing over the next couple of days and weeks. And hopefully you'll be able to glean a ton of really great information from our experience in helping other PDR and automotive hail repair companies, and we just want to serve and at the highest level possible. So we hope you get a ton of value out of this training platform. So until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.